Hi, I'm Ashwin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to make an announcement. So if you have followed me in social media since a couple of months, so I've been regularly talking about this Techie Empire. So Techie Empire is something that I have started initially as a digital tech community, but now like I'm planning to scale it up. So as a part of it, I'm interested in like hiring freelancers. So also I want it to be exclusively meant for students because I don't want professionals or persons who are working as a full-time to be involved here. So I just want students to make use of this platform and earn as a freelancer. So like I will show you the step-by-step process on how you can actually apply for this. So another thing is like I'm not hiring for programming or development roles, so I'm just hiring for creative roles. So if you are a good social media active person, or if you are someone with good writing skills or designing skills, video editing skills, marketing skills, so I need people like them. So I will show you the step-by-step process on how you can actually apply. So I mean, I have added a link in the description. If you click that link, you will be landing in this particular page. So this is the careers page of Techie Empire. So read this. So I'm clearly mentioning about something like apply only if you are a student. So because I don't want I mean people other than students, because I just want to dedicate it for students at this moment, because I know how difficult it is to find a freelancing job as a student. So that is the reason why like I'm just hiring students now. So you need to apply with all your name, email, mobile, and the institute or college that you are studying, and your primary skill. So it might be graphic designing, technical content writing, general writing, video editing, storytelling, affiliate marketing, and others. So you need to mention this. Like I'm again telling, like I'm not hiring for development or the programming roles. So apart from that, whatever the creative skill that you feel, you can apply here. And also, like if you are a good person with high social media followers, or more engagement in social media, so then you can click these others. And like I also need what are the tools and softwares that you are familiar with. So again, yes, softwares in the sense, not about coding or something. Like if you are a graphic designer, so mention what the skills you're very much well versed with, like Photoshop and all those things. So and portfolio link. So this is mandatory because I need your previous work. So that is the criteria for shortlisting. So if you already developed something, if you already designed something, or if you're a writer, if you already wrote something which is available online, please share that link. And LinkedIn profile, it is also mandatory because I will shortlist you based on your LinkedIn profile also. So because like while looking at the LinkedIn profile, I think that will be the key thing, to identify how you actually perform. So now it is okay, fine, right? So how actually this business model work? So it was a freelancing job again, no, because it was not a full-time role, so don't expect salaries in this. But whatever the work you do, you will be paid. That is what I promise you on this. So how actually we get clients, I will also show you. So there is a services tab in this homepage. So so like uh, like we, have, we like I mentioned here, like what are all the services that I'm going to provide here. So brand building, content creation, social media management, logo design, YouTube thumbnail design, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, storytelling, YouTube channel management. So these are all the various services that I'm going to provide under Techie Empire. And people who are interested to avail any of the service, they will simply click this book an appointment, and they will be redirected to a form where they can actually book an appointment. So if they fill this form for any of the service, so I will get back to them. So once after we get back to them, so we will assign that particular work to the freelancers that we have in our database. So based on your form responses, I will shortlist people. So I will shortlist people and I will put them in my database. So whenever there is a work, whenever I get a project from a client, like I will assign you. And don't worry, you are not going to do anything for free, because whatever the thing that you do, you will get paid. So yeah, this is the announcement that I'm going to make. So you can find the link in the description for that form. And also, like if you know someone who is good at the skills that I have mentioned, please forward this video, please share this video to them, so it might be useful for them. And if you really like this opportunity, and if you want to be a part of this, please apply. And also please like this video and share these in your network so that others can get benefit out of it. And yeah, thank you for watching this video.